Okay, good morning. Welcome to
AwesomeMath number 66.
AwesomeMath66. We are in the review section of our last digit chapter.
Yep.
And we got up to some of the problems that were on last digits in other bases, so we'll do one of those. Find the last digit of this multiplication in base 16. Are you ready? We're just looking for the last digit.
Yep.
And you didn't get to see the numbers ahead of time. It's going to be this number, BAD for DAD times 8 in base 16. Bad for dad times 8 in base 16.
Well,
we're just looking only for the last digit.
So that means we can cross off all of those numbers, and that's sort of my marker.
Oh, here, you can use mine. Do you think this means that dad ate something that was bad for dad?
Well, since this is D times 8, and D is really 13, so we can write this as 13 times 8.
Okay.
So this becomes 104 base 10.
All right.
Then we have to find a near multiple of 16. Well, 128. Well, because that's 64 times 2.
Okay. So 128 is 16 times what?
It's 16 times 6. Well, 16 times 4, that's 64.
Okay, 16 times 4 is 64.
So that would be 16 times 8.
Yeah, 16 times 8 is 128. By the way, just real quick, because this is 2 to the 7th,
Yeah.
right? This is the power of 2, 128. How can I tell quickly that this is not 16 times 6?
Well, 6 has a 3 in it.
Right, 6 has a 3 as a divisor, so it can't, 16 times 6 can't be 128 because there's no 3's in it. Anyway, 16 times 8 is 128.
So then we have to subtract away 16 because we're too high. So that's 112, and we're still too high.
Okay.
We have to subtract another one. So then we get to 96.
Okay, and what is that?
And that's 16 times 6.
That's 16 times 6 is 96. Okay, great.
And now, and then to get to 104, we have to add back 8. So the
Okay.
last digit's 8.
Okay, very good. 8 base 16. So we were 8 away. What is the number 104 in base 10 in base 16? Equals what number base 16?
Well, it's 1. As there's 164, and then you have, I think, 40 more to go. 40 more after the 60.
Well, I think you got a little confused. How many 16s did we need to get up to 104?
Well, we needed right before we needed 6.
6 16s, and then how many more do we need to go?
We needed 8.
Okay, so what is 104 in base 16?
It's we have 6 here,
Okay.
and then 60.
All right, what is this mark here? This is a straight mark?
Yeah.
Okay, so 68. So the digits in base 16 are the 1's digit, the 16's digit. What's the next digit?
And the 64.
Where did that come from?
Well, that's 6. Oh, that would be 256.
Right, it's the
Oh.
16 squared digit, which is
256.
So there's no 64 digit in base 16, it's just the 1s, 16s, and then it jumps up to 256. So I need 6 16s, and then I need 8 more.
Here.
Base 16. Okay, and we found the last digit was 8.
Yep.
All right, good job. Good job.